Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the Mathlis team for the Master's Program in Mathematics Education and English Education at Universitas Ahmad Dahlan are pleased to present an innovative research development product in the field of education called Shaking Math Book. Shaking Math Book is a product developed collaboratively by Salsi Rahmania, Muhammad Rafi Fajariski, Pamastu Narpadwita with our supervisor, Dr. Andriani MC, and Dr. Igni Nur Oktavianti MA. The developmental of Shaking Math Book is motivated by existence of gaps in education, especially the accessibility and provision of special teaching materials for children with special needs, such as mental retardation, so that children with special needs can access teaching material that suit their needs and physiological limitation. Mental retardation is a term used to refer to individuals who have intellectual intelligence significantly below average or below their chronological age as a result of developmental, mental, emotional, social, and physical barriers, so that they are unable to adjust the environment. Mental retardation has characteristics that make it difficult to learn things that are abstract and symbolic, lack of self-control, and often make uncontrolled movement, simple thinking skill and weak memory, as well as learning abilities that are only limited to concrete activities. With this characteristic, mental retardation will experience significant obstacle and difficult when learning abstract mathematical concepts, including basic arithmetic concepts, such as the concept of multiplication operation, which can actually be taught using the concept of addition operation previously learned by the students. The obstacle, difficulties, and characteristics of mental retardation require teachers to find learning strategies supported by innovative teaching material according to the needs of mental retardation. Shaking Math Book comes as a solution to the problem of learning mathematics, especially multiplication material for students with disabilities. Shaking Math Book is an innovative picture book integrated with technology with different material presentation because Shaking Math Book contains contextual problems that students often encounter in their daily life. The innovation that Shaking Book offers relates to the various features of the book, which we can see in 4 features. The main feature of Shaking Math Book is the shaking features. The shaking feature owned by Shaking Math Book is a feature that can be used by students with disabilities by shaking the book when on certain book page there are instructions for shaking. This feature is present to accommodate the characteristic of mental retardation who are less able to control themselves and often make uncontrollable movement. Alright, the next feature is short instruction feature. The short instruction feature of Shaking Math Book is the presentation of simple language with picture illustration, so that it can accommodate the characteristic of simple thinking ability and weak memory due to low intelligence level. The next feature is technology integration. The technology integration feature in Shaking Math Book is the use of various technology devices such as TFT LCD, reed switch magnetron sensor, and Arduino. Sensors are installed on each sheet for the book, so that every time a student opens the book, the LCD screen displays the page change on the LCD display. The Arduino is installed to process the image and sound data on the LCD screen, as well as recognize the sensor, while the LCD is used to display image on the screen related to the visualization of contextual problem that students read on the Shaking Math Book. This feature is present to accommodate almost all characteristics of people with disabilities such as difficulty in learning abstract objects, simple thinking skill, and weak memory, as well as limited learning abilities that can only be done through concrete activities. The last but not least is the concrete illustration feature. The concrete illustration feature in Shaking Math Book is a feature of using concrete picture illustration of contextual problems that were originally present in text form and difficult for students with disabilities to understand. In this feature, the presentation of the multiplication concept is linked to the additional concept that students have previously mastered. Therefore, this can minimize the burden of students remembering new mathematical concepts because the teaching of new concept is done by utilizing their relationship to old concept. Moreover, this feature is present to accommodate the characteristic of mental retardation which are difficult to learn abstract objects, simple thinking skill, and learning models that are only limited to concrete activities. With various innovative features owned by Shake MathBook, it's hoped that the learning problems of people with disabilities who have special characteristics and intellectual barrier can be resolved with special teaching material innovation. Alright, that's all about our product. Hopefully this product can be usable and inspire many people around the world. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.